How to enable direct messages on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your TikTok application. Then go to the profile icon from your bottom right corner. Then from your top right corner, go to settings and privacy. After that, go to privacy. Now you will see the option direct messages from this interaction section. Tap on it. After that, go to allow direct messages from and then select everyone. And done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.